Yeah, sorry. How you doing?
Excellent.
So I had just left the public defender's office, and listen, they've declared a conflict of interest in my case. I've been trying to get clarification. One of the deputies informed me that there was a minute order and that the clerk can provide that information.
Sure, what's the case number?
GA1111-32.
11, I'm sorry, hold on, let me see here. GA.
1111-3201. I think I memorized it by now. I think I got it memorized by now.
I can't memorize stuff. So.
Yeah.
Mr. Taylor?
Yes.
There was a hearing on 3/22/24. Now we got a minute order on it. Is that the one you want?
Yes, please. A conflict of interest?
That doesn't tell me there.
Okay.
I'll put the minute order.
Okay, thank you. Can you explain what a minute order is?
Oh, it's just like a notes for the day.
Oh, okay.
When you have a hearing.
Okay.
The notes.
Can you tell if it's
An
something?
official record
It is, right?
of what happened in court.
It is?
An official record.
Is this
Just for that day.
right? Is it something that a defendant should have access to or not have access
Depends
to?
on the type of
It's all pertinent, right? Based on like,
litigation. I
yeah.
don't know, it depends on the defendant. Some people don't need them. It depends.
Yeah. Well, I don't want to like
I mean, like in traffic.
March
traffic
22nd.
case, well, in my experience, you don't get a minute order, so it depends.
And this is it?
We have dockets, but those are internal.
Is there any other information I can get pertaining to my case or any other information like this?
Well, that's the one from the hearing on 3/22/24.
March 22nd. Oh, that was the court date,
Yeah,
right?
that's whatever's on there. That's what happened in court on that day.
Okay. But this it says nothing about
So if there's a problem with what's on there, then you should go to the courtroom and address it with the JA in the courtroom.
go where?
Go to the courtroom and
Uh-huh.
address it with the JA in the courtroom.
The JA?
Yeah.
Who's
The person who reads the minutes.
who's that?
Well, they're the ones who take notes and then they.
The stenographer? Or the clerk? They got a courtroom clerk.
Yeah, the clerk.
Okay.
She has the calendar, so she might make a mistake, I assume. I don't know how they do things here, but usually.
Okay. So look, because my court case is actually in Hollywood, so I'm just I came here for the main public defender's office just to correspond with them. But basically, this is good. Thank you so much. Thank you so much because I didn't even know there was this. I mean, I know I was there in court, but.
Yeah, this probably can fix it in a minute.
So that was my question. My question was basically, you don't see anything about a conflict of interest declared by the public defender or any attorney.
I don't know.
They just
In court.
no, they didn't do it in court.
That form they file. I don't know the name of the form, but yeah,
They did?
there's a form they file if they don't want to see the judge and they want to change the judge.
Yeah, can I get a copy of that, please?
I don't know what that form is called. What the name of the form is.
Yeah, I need that because listen, right here, I have proof that the public defender declared the conflict in direct response to me asserting my rights. So that just gives me cause for concern,
You might want to ask them what date that issue was addressed in court.
They tell me they can't tell me anything because they already declared the conflict. So look, I came yesterday, had to file a complaint with them. I went to the county board of supervisors. I've been running all around. I've been going to the public defender's office at the courthouses. That's why I just came downtown to just try and see if I can understand what's been happening. If that's in there, I would really like a copy of it.
I don't know how they would go about addressing that problem. I mean, I do, but
Addressing what problem?
the conflict of interest. Do they file actual form?
I don't know. Honestly, my understanding is that they would have to submit a motion, and that I would at least be notified with corresponding legal paperwork.
They filed a motion.
They did?
No, what date?
I don't know if they did or listen. I'm telling them that they did, that they don't have a justified conflict of interest. They keep telling me that they do. So that's why I'm saying if you see it anywhere in there, it's really imperative that I see it, so that if nothing else, I'm not like expending all of my energy looking for information, chasing shadows. I just want to understand, um, basically, what the nature of the conflict is. I mean, because all I know is that I told them, hey, um, you guys have a duty to safeguard my rights. And then look, they declared a conflict of interest 5 minutes later, and then the alternate public defender did the same thing. 3 consecutive offices in a row. It's highly unusual. My court case has been in every court: Burbank, Glendale, Pasadena, and now Hollywood.
Let's go over to the file and view the file.
Yeah.
The physical file and see what you see. Ask for copies of the file.
I've been doing it, and that's the problem. I'm having, like, for some reason, like, the public defenders think it's a strategic decision to deny me access to materials, materials that pertain to my case. I was doing this before I was declared incompetent or any of the sort. So I just want to know.
Well, go over to the file of the criminal court and see what you can see in there.
Okay,
You haven't been served, right? With the paperwork you said that they filed.
I'm sorry.
The motion you haven't received.
No. I mean, is that what would happen if they wanted to, take themselves?
There should be a copy of the original, I believe, of the file.
And you guys don't have a copy? You don't have any?
No, we don't have. Well.
Is it in there?
I don't know.
Because listen, I don't want to accuse them of an unjustified conflict if there is a legitimate conflict. You know what I mean? Because if there's a legitimate conflict, I just need them to assure me that it's not because I that I asserted my right. Because that sends a mixed message to me. It actually tells me, hold on, did I have rights this whole time? Like, and you didn't tell me? Like, it's just, I'm just concerned. It's a very serious case. I'm supposed to be back in Seattle running my business, but I got to be here.
You should go walk in and address the judge.
Can I do that before my court date?
Yeah.
I can?
You can walk in, yeah.
I can do that. A defendant can typically do that.
Walk in and have a hearing. An oral motion, make an oral motion.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't have to wait till the day of court.
No.
See,
You can walk in on an oral motion.
that's pivotal information. So I can walk in, talk to the bailiff, and say, "Hey, I'd like to."
Not the bailiff, the judge.
Right, but I have
The
to.
rogue.
Right, but before I have
The
to.
bailiff doesn't have any power when it comes to.
Yeah, but because I don't have an actual case that day, I have to
And
make.
you can go ahead of time and address the judge on the record, and then you'll have one of those.
Really?
Yeah.
And I don't need my lawyer present necessarily.
Well, if you have an attorney, then they have to appear.
They have to.
Unless you don't want them to represent you, then you have to go through the process.
But before that, there's no way I can go to court ahead of time and do that. I can try.
I don't know the process, so I don't
Yeah.
know inform you. I'm sure you can.
So is there not a conflict of interest?
I don't know. I'm not equipped to decide if there's a conflict of interest or not.
But there's no form in there that says so.
I need the date that the document was filed. But if you want a summary of everything.
So it would be March 4th.
I don't see anything filed on 3-4.
Nothing on 3-4.
No, but you can order the file and view the file.
I can order it.
Well, yeah.
Oh, from my attorney.
No, you can view the file.
I could do it here. I'd
No,
like.
not here. You can go to the second floor and ask for a docket, and then go to the courthouse that has the criminal case. And address the problem there.
Okay, it's a little tricky. The criminal proceedings are technically suspended. Well, I'm gonna spare you all the jargon.
You can go to the Hollywood court then.
Yeah, I'm gonna just go there and just try to see if I can get some type of
You
clarity.
can view the file there, I think.
Okay, I'll
Do you
try
want
to.
the phone number here? So
Yeah.
Let me get my directory. Hollywood court. Let's see.
Well, so I can get the information. They've been giving me the information. Yeah, this has been super helpful. I really appreciate this, and thank you so much for your help today. Have a great day,
What was your last name again?
Mr. Taylor.
Taylor.
Yeah, yeah. You too. Thank you. That was like court. Where? Hello there. How are you? Okay, well, there was no minute order for the conflict of interest that the deputy told us there was. So we know they're lying. Public defenders are lying. Okay, we'll check back in.